In apple production, one of the historical problems has been codling moth, the Cydia Pomonella insect that is attacking the apple fruit throughout the whole season. This is, we think, one of the best examples of how biological integrated pest management can help to reduce the input of chemicals in the environment and the residues in the crop itself. There are various systems from biological control to manage this pest in apple and pear production. I think that one of the historical and basic is to use the intercropping systems in the orchard itself, because this is providing a good environment for the natural enemies of the pest to stay within the orchard. Although in this is also important to say that the sanitation of the orchard has to be performed in order to reduce the populations of these pests in the orchard. On top of this, there are at least 3 different biological control methods that can be used to control the codling moth. One very important basic system is the use of entomopathogenic nematodes. The nematodes are parasitic of many insects in nature, and the release in the orchard of this pest in a proper timing, especially during the autumn, in the soil for the control of the overwintering larvae of the codling moth, this has been proving to be very good to reduce the population in the orchard. On top of this, the use of mating disruption pheromone of Cydia Pomonella released by dispensers in the orchard proved to replace much better than any other control and in much more consistent way. And finally, the additional use of granulosis virus, that is a specific virus attacking this pest, is also a supplemental control. By utilizing all these 4 methods, the control of codling moth in apple and pear production, we believe, can be achieved without any chemical impact.